Question 16. A shop manager wants to advertise special offers on social media platforms. The manager asks 100 customers which of type A, type B or type C they use. Of these customers, 4 use all 3 types, 16 do not use any of type A, B or C, 8 use type A and type B but not type C, 14 use both type B and type C, 62 in total use type A, and all 20 who use type C also use at least one of type A and type B. Complete the Venn diagram for this information. So in order to complete this Venn diagram, we're going to go through this massive amount of information, one key point at a time, so that we can fill this in. So the first thing we're going to look at is that 4 use all 3 types, and so the intersection of all 3 of our circles is going to be 4. Next point, 16 do not use any of A, B or C, and so those 16 do not fall into any circles, so they can be in the box on the outside. 8 use type A and B but not C, so here's the intersection of A and B, and these also use C, so that 8 go in here. 14 use both type B and type C. Now the intersection of B and C is here, so these two sections should add up to 14. 4 are already in here, which means 10 need to go in this box. Now 62 use type A in total doesn't help us at the moment because that gives 2 boxes. So we'll come back to it. This last point, all 20 who use type C use at least one type of A and B, means that all those people are in these sections here. So there are none in C alone. And since there are 20 people, then these 3 add up to 20. And so since this is 14, we must have a 6 in here. Now we can go back to our second to last point, 62 in total use type A. So 62 subtracting the 8, 4 and 6 leaves us with 44. Now we've used all the points and we might think we're done, but we are missing a value in B here. So what do we know? Well, the manager asks 100 customers. So all of these numbers added together should equal 100. So you can grab your calculator, 100, subtract each of these numbers, and you get a value of 12. One of the customers is chosen at random. Given that this customer uses type A, find the probability that this customer also uses type B. Well, we can see this directly from our Venn diagram. All of those that use type A are in circle A. We know from here that that is 62 in total. And of those 62, the number that use B is in this intersection here, which is 8 add 4. And so 12 over 62 is the probability that this customer also uses type B.